Whenever we talk about stylish phones, Nothing is always there, and now Nothing is coming out with its new mid-range smartphone, the Nothing Phone 4a. Many of my friends are using the Nothing Phone 3a, so I ended up comparing them कि आखिर इसमें इससे बेटर क्या है. I'm your host हर्षित अरोड़ा. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Nothing Phone 4a comes with Nothing's signature design language, and you get the transparent back, plastic frame and a similar pill-shaped camera module. This time you get a glyph bar and you can customize it as per your need. The red light also blinks when you are recording video, but you can turn it off. The most important change in the design is the essential key placement. इससे पहले तक you get this below the power button, and for new user it was a bit problematic because it often got pressed instead of the power button. Overall, I think design looks decent, but I like the phone 3a design more. This phone comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels are thick but symmetrical across the screen, so binge watching experience is good. The display is punchy, has sharp visuals, good contrast, and supports HDR as well, so you can watch any type of content on it. As for audio, it has stereo speakers that are loud enough for you to binge watch your content without headphones. One more add-on, this phone is so well balanced that if you put your phone on the table and you use it, then it won't wobble while typing. I know छोटी सी बात है, but daily users के लिए काफी useful है. The Nothing Phone 4a is equipped with Snapdragon 7s Gen 4 paired with 8 and 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 128 256GB UFS 3.1 storage type. I used this device as my secondary phone and did some seriously loaded work on it. While testing, I continuously used this phone with many apps open in the background, but still this phone does not lag or show random issues. Apps open quickly and app switching is fast even with multiple apps open in the background. Talking of gaming, we played BGMI, Asphalt and Subway Surfer. I started playing BGMI at max graphics settings and the gameplay was decent. But the device heated up in just 30 minutes. Then I switched back to balanced graphics settings and the gameplay was better and enjoyable. And I got 90 FPS throughout the gameplay. While playing Asphalt, the graphics were same as BGMI, decent. The overall gameplay was smooth and enjoyable. But if you want to play games like Subway Surfer, then this phone does not show any issue. The gameplay, animation and graphics are good and you can enjoy it. But that's not it. We ran multiple tests too and all the results are on your screen. In AnTuTu benchmark, it scored 11 lakh, which is good, and even in 3D Mark, you get good stability. The good part is that there are almost no bloatware apps in this, so you get a clean app drawer. The Nothing Phone 4a features a 50+50+8 megapixel triple rear camera and a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The rear camera is a combination of main lens and a periscopic telephoto lens and an ultra wide lens. The 50 megapixel main camera gives colors that look quite natural and real without making them overly bright or saturated. At first glance, the photos look good, but when you zoom in, the fine details are not always clean. Sometimes textures look a bit soft and in dark areas depth is missing, especially in low light. Now coming to 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, it increases contrast and saturation to make photos look more eye-catching, but this also makes them look less natural. The details are also not very impressive. The telephoto lens shows its potential mostly in portrait mode. You can zoom up to 3.5x and the result is good. The bokeh effect and edge detection are good while maintaining natural skin tone. Moving on, let's talk about the front camera. In selfie photos, it increases the saturation of the photo. The skin tone is not too modified, but yes, you can see the post-processing clearly. In low light, the result is usable, but if you zoom in, you can notice the small detail loss easily. Plus, it increases the contrast of the picture. Nothing Phone 4a can record videos up to 4K 30fps from the rear camera and 1080p from the front camera. The video result is good, colors look realistic, and you can even get good stability, although you don't get OIS. Nothing Phone 4a's battery has improved over the last gen. You get a 5400 mAh battery with 50 watt charging support. Although in this price segment many competitors are giving 7000 mAh battery, but कम से कम last year से कुछ तो improve की है battery. After a full charge, I use this phone for an entire day with moderate uses like social media scrolling, office work and some binge watching. However, if you tend to do late night scrolling, you may need to charge it again by late evening. On a full charge, you can get around 6 hours of screen time with this phone, and to charge it back, I use a 100 watt charger and that juiced it up in almost 1 hour. It's time for the verdict. The Nothing Phone 4a starts from 31,999 and in this segment it stands out for its unique design and glyph interface. The camera is decent, the display is bright and punchy and the performance is good for daily use. The battery is reliable but no charger in the box. Software is clean and simple. So overall, it's good if you want a unique stylish phone but not an all-rounder. Well, what do you think? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.